Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best home smart thermostat on the market. The Google Nest Thermostat, programmable, Wi-Fi compatible, and designed to make your home smarter and your life easier. Right out of the box, the Nest Thermostat impresses with its sleek, minimalist design. This model comes in a stylish charcoal color, perfectly blending into modern home interiors. With a compact size of just over 3 inches wide and a little over an inch deep, it's a small device with powerful functionality. It's Energy Star certified, meaning it's built to help you save on energy without sacrificing comfort. One of its most practical features is its ability to automatically turn itself down when you leave, helping cut energy waste while you're away from home. What makes this thermostat a game-changer is the integration with the Google Home app. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, you can easily set up a personalized, energy-efficient schedule from your device. You don't need to be tech-savvy, setup is surprisingly simple. Remote control is where this product really shines. Any member of your family can adjust the temperature from virtually anywhere using their phone, tablet, or laptop. It works seamlessly with Google Assistant, Alexa, and other smart home ecosystems, giving you full voice control. The built-in Savings Finder constantly looks for opportunities to help you save more. It analyzes your usage and even suggests tweaks to your schedule to improve efficiency. You might even be eligible for rebates from your energy provider, so be sure to check. The smart thermostat also comes with HVAC monitoring. If something doesn't seem right with your system, it sends you alerts and helpful reminders for maintenance. It's like having a mini technician watching over your heating and cooling. Keep in mind, there's an additional shipping and import charge if you're outside the US, like in India. For its price, features, and integration capabilities, it earns the Product Critique seal of approval as the best programmable Wi-Fi thermostat for your home. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart home upgrade tip. See you next time on Product Critique.